Hello, welcome to PCBMay. Right now, we are just doing the PCB function test, and they have different fixture tests. Later, I will show the details and the process to you. This just complete the testing. Right now, we put both PCB on the function fixture, and just testing the sounds or in the voice, and also the requirements. And yeah, we just connect the USB, and also we will just listening the voice and checking the quality that is good or not. And if this passed, and then we will just change another one and test. So make sure everything is correct. So that is for feature testing.